Hey you guys, and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. So you guys are in for a treat today. We are going to be going all the way back. If you have never made fire, you've never cooked in fire before, you are getting the treats today because we do not have power. Our town ran out of power for a couple of days. We do have actually gas. We've got gas, but we also do enjoy fires a whole lot. And this couple of days actually we were just cooking outside, making poytjie or making a braai. So on this particular night we were actually just making a lamb poytjie, and her Hapster Bay was the one who was cooking. So yeah guys, I hope you do enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, engage with me in the comment section down below, and also do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. I've noticed that 60% of you guys haven't subscribed, but you do keep coming back for more. So do the right thing and subscribe, and don't forget to smash the like button. Enjoy. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do when making poytjie is you want to mix up your spices. You can either add them directly to the meat after adding the meat on your poytjie pot, or you can also just mix them with your sauce. But either way it works. So the next thing, you also want to prepare your poytjie sauce ahead of time. I was mixing brown onion soup and a little bit of cold water, and I also added some wine and boiling water so that it's just it doesn't cool down the rest of what I've already done. And then I also used some rosemary that I have in my pot on the outside. And then here Hapster is doing the onions and then adding the meat as well, but he first added some garlic, some fresh garlic, and I do like the smell in a fresh garlic, not the sometimes I do add the chopped ones from the shops, but I believe nothing beats the fresh garlic. But yeah, it's basically just that you just follow as he was doing. I just say that just follow along, especially if you have never done poytjie before. Just follow along what he was doing here and you are good to go, and you've got your poytjie. One thing also to remember is that you don't want to make your fire too hot once you start making the poytjie, because otherwise it will burn. And another thing is you basically poytjie is just making it it's more like slow cooking, because you don't want the heat too high. It takes hours, but you can see it's already dark. It's not really late, it's just dark because it's already autumn. And yeah guys, so here guys, you will see some DNC going on. Yep, right there. And there you have it guys, dinner is ready. Time for us to dig in. So now we are off to the garden. This is now during the day, and because there was no power as well, so we just decided to start planting our vegetables for the winter months, especially because we like making soups and maybe salads from time to time. But yeah, you can see here my kids were actually picking some worms. I was worried that they were going to be grossed out by it, but they seemed to enjoy it. And those worms were going into my compost bins, you guys, or rather compost bin. And here I planted some lettuce and onions on this particular row, and then the night before I had soaked my garlic cloves on in water, and then I planted them just using my just some soil, and then I just topped it up with and added some compost just so they are well boosted for germination. And the reason why I also did this, because I put them in the middle row of this particular bed. The reason why I did that was that I was going to be able to plant my cabbages on either side. Garlic actually repels pests in your garden, so if you put them like in the middle of your row, the plants that you have on either side, they can be protected against pests. Same goes for your onions. Whatever you plant on either side, it can act as a repellent for those plants that you have, or rather veggies. So yeah guys, that's a tip if you are into gardening. So there you have it guys. This is how we passed by time when we didn't have power, and how we also managed to have food on the table. But anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to smash that like button and do subscribe if you haven't done so. I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.